of una wey no fit enjoy una self without killing una self. Ngwanu, make una gather here because I don't bring una wetin I go even call themselves una neighbors abi una people. If una see wetin my eye see, hey, only in the name of fun. Now so these boys, I don't know which party they say they organize. Oh, come see preparation of drinks. They carry strawberry drink, go buy different drugs, pour am inside. My people come see highness. This one pass weary level. They start the drink and drink. The next thing where I see my people be say, party scatter, party scatter. some just dengue, some pose, some become statues, some they even got to they slap them before they go get their sense back. I bet make I not even waste on time because join me, make we watch the video.
He was for any for. Mr. Allah. What did the chef draw? Yes. Allah. Eba mi potamina. Sample. Oh, okay.
Now you don't take it now. Don't open your eyes.
Jesus Christ. My people, I bet una see am, I bet una no see am. In case you no see am, well, go back, take this thing, drag am back, and go watch am again. Oh, Charlie, where are we going to? I beg, I dey talk to our youth. Where will they go? Why? I no just understand. Youths of nowadays, una no get small patience, small one. Before I be the thing say na just money, quick money. Nah, quick highness don't enter just to get high. Who told you that you cannot have fun without drugs? Ordinary, the normal alcohol self, the normal one where we all know. Even that one self, I go even beg una me una take time. Dey careful. This ones can't even add drugs. Just to get high. Wait, my question now be say, if you are trying to have fun and you use drugs, see these people's condition now. They not even feel, they not even recognize themselves. So how do you want to have fun in this kind of state? No, now question I just they ask, so I beg, I know they offend anybody. How you they okay, make I just leave her like that. Strawberry. Una no say strawberry self naturally is sweet. Okay, no, not naturally. I taste strawberry, I will die. No, I dey talk about the juice. It is very sweet. So imagine, I dey sure say they were carried away because the sweetness, you know, you go want to take more and more before you know it, you don't forget yourself. We can be easily deceived. I don't just, I beg, my question now self be say, where these people take even buy these drugs? Where nobody question them. Nobody even find out, say, okay, it's for what? What are you going to use it for? So they just call your pharmacy, you say, all the pharmacy people, you know, say they sell drugs without doctor's prescription. Because you people, you see, start the day conscious. Take caution, no. Avoid it, because una no go tell me say una no dey hear all this kind of matter where people they drink, people you abuse drugs anyhow. If especially youths, if they enter your pharmacy say they buy, because find out what for. Find out what for. I know they try to say Oyibo people they smarter than us or they perfect. But see, some kind of things they no fit just happen carelessly for abroad. If a person will tell me, say, Madam Aproko, I travel, I enter bar, I order for beer, they ask them for ID card. No, for now to see, but yeah, who send you? All the people are thinking of now is money. Just pay me money and get whatever you want to get and go. Please, pharmacists, you people should open your eyes when you see youth, young people especially, coming to your this thing. Very, very important, because now they misuse and they abuse everything. And this one too, they bring parents inside this matter. Watch your children. And if you know say they watch me, you are very young, you are in this youthful age of yours, I beg, select the kind of friends where they get, because some friends now just to bring you down. Now just your downfall they find. Watch the kind of friends where you they select people where you know say, I didn't say you should not have fun. No. I did not say you should not enjoy your life. But please, can we use wisdom? Imagine if this thing now has, I don't know what they call that thing where they cause heart failure or something. No, just imagine. You go just die. And I no go dey surprise. See, una know the funny thing about this life where we dey live, especially I dey talk to the young ones. Una know the funny thing. If I be okay, make I use myself for instance, I get plenty friends. Now me go bring the idea. Say yes, let's mix this thing. No, let's do this one, let's do this one. At the end, the people, I no go drink. It dey happen. I will just lure all of you into drinking that thing. Me, because I'm too smart, I no go drink am. Now why una need select? See, no people way, and if you dey go out, can you select your drink? Me if I come out, hey, una no know. I have my own special drink what I drink. And that drink, even if I dey stand up to dance, I dey hold am for my hand. Nothing you want to see. I am too sharp. You don't understand. And if I do mistake, forget that drink for table. My brother, my sister, I am buying another one. No, I cannot take any chances, because this life where they live now is once. You cannot live and live again. Is once. I bet make una wise up. Now when I come outside, wise up. Very, very important. You understand? Because help me share this video for all our youth wherever they are in this world. Make they know say this thing don't happen, and anybody feel be next person, because they alert and they on guard. Very, very important. Make sure say you drop your comment. I want to know what you think concerning this matter, and click on that notification bell so that you will be the first to be notified anytime when we bring correct bengue for you. Stay tuned for our next story.